been here since 10:15. Water running down my clothes again. Taking everything I own with me tonight. Cardboard box getting heavy now. Ain't got nowhere to turn somehow. Watching headlights pass me by, pass me by. Falling out, can't hold on. Everything I had is almost gone. Yesterday's news turning into pulp tonight. Paper walls are caving in. Lost my job, lost my home, lost my kin. All these cars, but none stopping, none stopping by. Schedule board says 1:30. Rain keeps falling one by one. Letters fading on my ticket to ride. Box is nothing but a memory. Water pooling round my feet. Even hope is washing down the drain tonight. Waiting. Fading. Waiting still.